So you want to know how to build some serious guns? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you some things about building your arms that you probably don't know. Make sure you stick around because these techniques work.
We are the gym that teaches people how to move instead of just exercise because we believe that health is about performance, not just body image.
Now, if you've never used these before and you're wanting to know how to make your arms bigger and stronger, try training with fat grips. These things are absolutely amazing. We were introduced to these, or my brother was introduced, my brother Yanni, from Charles Poliquin. And later, when talking to a friend of ours, Ben Pekulski, he talked about how every time he went and trained with Charles, he used to come back with forearm tendinopathy because of the amount of thick grip training that he got him to do. Now, well, of course, we don't want to give you tendinopathy, but it can't be overstated how critical these are to develop your arms, especially if you find that you've plateaued. If you've come to a point where you're just hammering away at those bicep curls and tricep extensions and you're not seeing any growth or any major strength breakthroughs, then these are going to really change your training. Why? Well, there's several reasons, but the biggest one is that it just completely changes the way that you grip the dumbbell, and it requires so much more work going on in the forearm, and it just creates a new adaptation, a new strength adaptation to overcome, and that's how we get stronger. That's how we grow muscle, is from adapting to what we do. So all you're going to do simply is just grab your regular dumbbells and put these over the top, and there you go. Look at how thick it makes me grip the dumbbell. And then from here, I'm just going to do any regular arm workout. So I can just do my bicep work. Of course, I can do my tricep work, and everything stays the same. You know, think about keeping your upper arm vertical always when you're doing your bicep work and your tricep work, and changing the angles as well. So, hey, in case we haven't met, my name is Rad Burmeister. I'm one of the co-founders of Unity Gym and co-creators of the UMS, Unified Movement System, where we make driven people strong, flexible and fit with daily 1-hour workouts. If you want to get started with us and know how we achieve such amazing results with our tribe, there's 3 ways you can get started. Number 1, get one of the free blueprints. There's a link in the description of this video. Number 2, you can grab one of our programs for strength, flexibility, calisthenics or injury rehab by clicking the link to our programs catalog. And number 3, if you want to get started with online coaching with me and my team, you can get a 30-day free trial where you get access to our UMS online coaching program and our done-for-you 1-hour workouts that balance strength, flexibility and fitness. Click the link in the description to start your free trial now. It's good to do, you know, like standing bicep curls like this. It's good to do like really far back behind you, like down to a 30-degree or 45-degree angle like this. It's also good to do, most gyms or a lot of big chain gyms would have a preacher curl to do this, but you can do this angle here. Notice that my upper arm is always vertical. So when I do this, I'm not going like this, okay? I'm not curling like that. I'm keeping my upper arm vertical and curling this way. That's really, really important. And same here. I'm keeping my upper arm vertical and curling up like this, okay? Same with tricep extensions. Now, the thing with thick grips and the way that your arms are going to respond best to this is high intensity, low volume. So we're talking 6 to 8 reps per set. We're not talking doing sets of 10 to 12 reps here. Heavy weight, grip as hard as you possibly can, 6 to 8 reps with good technique. And you know, how many sets you do, it just depends on what your goal is. If you want to do volume or strength, how many other exercises you're doing as well. Another great way to get some thick training is with a barbell as well. And EZ bars are awesome for arm training because it just puts your arm in a much nicer position here. And of course, if you have a regular EZ bar at your gym, you can just put your fat grips on the bar, but we've got these awesome custom made bars. So I can go to a thick grip here or a medium grip, and then we can go to a super thick grip. Look at that bad boy there. Okay, so that's really challenging doing this. You can do as well, of course, you can do pronated grips. So when you're doing your bicep curls, this is another variation that you can do. You can do pronated on different angles as well. There's so many different creative ways that you can hit your arms to break through those strength plateaus and grow some really good size. And this is a part of it. So you've got to get creative, but you've got to be smart as well. You've got to follow periodization. So make sure you do, you know, a periodized phase of 4 weeks or so, and then change different variables. We use these a lot in our UMS training. If you want to see how we use, how we attack the arms to get really strong and to grow size as well, you can grab a free trial, as I said before, if you click the link in the description, and you can come in and see how we put our programs together. But let us know how you go. Grab some fat grips, give it a try, do it for a full 30 days, do it for a full 4-week cycle. So grab yourself some fat grips, give it a go, you do it for a full cycle, at least 4 weeks, and let us know how big those guns get. Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel and make sure you click the notification bell so you know when our weekly videos are uploaded. Now, the best thing for you to do if you want to stay connected with us and get free online coaching is to join our private Facebook group. It's called the UMS Movement Mastermind, and we go live daily where we answer our members' questions. It's very interactive because you can post questions while we're live and we interact with you on the show. You can also upload videos or pictures of yourself with any movements, any stretches, strength training movements, calisthenics, weightlifting, anything that you're struggling with, and we'll critique you, give you feedback, let you know how you can get better. It's a really valuable resource. It allows a lot of communication with us and also our senior tribe members. You'll get answers very, very quickly, and it's absolutely free. So jump on Facebook, search for UMS Movement Mastermind and join now. Until next time, have a great day.